Oh, and you guys watch right here, most likely gonna need these. So, start building up. That's what I'm gonna do, so you can build it anywhere. Then, get your... I'm gonna break this. Now we're gonna need to get a... If you do this, get this. Just keep watching me and you'll get it. Really simple. Then we're gonna get glass and build up. It has to be glass, or it's not gonna work. Except the sides, all around it doesn't have to be glass. Be anything, but the middle part has to be glass, or it won't work. And this is a very simple thing that, it's very cheap to make. If you ever want to, if you can go to Nether, then you can easily get quartz to make the comparator. For now, we're gonna put this right here, and now that's it. Not it, but it shoots up and all the way up. Yep. So I'm gonna put it this way, so no, we're gonna put it on the other way. You don't have to do it exactly how I do it, but you can do it similar as you want. I don't really care. Not one bit. I'm just gonna make one thing that'll change it out. One, what's it called? Just I'll think of what the name is. Places like this has to be pointing that way to the comparator. I'm gonna put this right here, and then across, down, and this right here. Oh, fix this. Okay. Now we're in place. Wait. Yeah, I went one block over too much. Yeah, I think it. It has to be. Yep, we did. Yep. Okay. Now we're gonna place this right here. We're gonna place this and this. And where is the torch? You can put 4 of any block right here. It can only be 4, it can be any particular block, but it cannot be the same item as the item you're putting in there. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, like, you can't take that block. You can only take the beef. It's not picking it up. I think it's because I dropped the other one with it. But it works perfectly. And you see it go filters through. You have to put 18 pieces in there, because that's when it will stop. If you don't, then you won't get it. You see, you can only put that in there on the thing that comes from the cow, not the lamb chops. That goes in here, and then that turns off that redstone torch. Now let that go through. So yeah. You can add another one if you want. I'm truly not gonna keep building more and more of these, because I'm truly too lazy to do it. You can do that. Just build another one and connect it. Very simple. This video is gonna be very long. Dang it. Okay, well, we're about to be done very soon. If you somehow watched through the whole video up to this point, congratulations. You wasted your time. This will work for any edition of Minecraft, every type, as it's not working with pistons. Okay, if you don't want mobs to spawn on this thing, then put slabs on top of it, because then it will stop them from spawning. This is one of the most simplest and easiest things you can make in Minecraft. Go build all around that, and we're gonna fill it with water later. And we're still gonna be building. You want to place them all like this. I'm gonna explain this for you. Yeah, I'm gonna explain this now. So this one goes to here, it goes down first. So we're gonna go to the other one, all the way to this one first.